creative people, a warm welcome to my channel, Live Your Dream, which is all about embroidery, illustration, pets, gardening, traveling and much more. Please do consider to like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification. Leave your comments on the comment section below. Do follow us on Instagram for more updates. Fabric is the main base or platform for our embroidery. There are different kinds of fabrics which can be used. Even weave fabrics, which are tightly woven, are best for embroidery, while loosely woven fabrics are ideal for counted thread and drawn thread techniques. Uneven weave fabrics are also good for some projects. The content of the fabric can be cotton, linen, rayon, and polyester blends, or even jute, hemp, or bamboo. We'll know about different fabrics in detail so that we can take care while choosing the fabrics for our project. Fabrics ideal for embroidery beginners are Aida or Mati cloth is popular with cross stitchers due to its easy to count square fabric. One stitch is worked over each square. Aida is available in wide range of solid colors, printed and textured varieties. Hardanger fabric is a 100% cotton even weave fabric woven with double thread. Each double thread group is counted as one. It can be used for Hardanger embroidery, black work, cut work and counted thread technique. It is available in a limited selection of colors. Cotton muslin is a plain cotton fabric loosely woven that comes with a smooth texture, lightweight, which is great for beginners to work with. It comes in a huge variety of colors and is fairly reasonable in price. Poplin fabric is primarily made of 100% cotton, making it lightweight, but still retains its strength and ideal for embroidery. Linen offers an elegant texture to complement our stitches and can add a classy effect to our embroidery. Tighter weaves and 100% linen is best for embroidery so that it doesn't stretch while stitching. Jute fabric is a type of textile made from the jute plant. Embroidery on jute using many colors makes it elegant and expensive. Khadi or Khadar is a coarse hand-woven fabric spun out of cotton and sometimes silk and wool. Kanta and Fulkari can be done easily on this fabric. Canvas fabric is a plain woven fabric made of cotton. This is known for its durability, sturdiness, thus good for embroidery. Denim is a cotton twill weave and heavy weight fabric. Embroidering on denim can create an amazing hoop art, also used for decorating jean pants, skirts, shirts, jackets, etc. Embroidery on denim usually hides stains and watermarks. Fabrics to be avoided as some of them are a little risky to handle for the beginners. Satin, silk and other very smooth shiny fabrics. Jersey and other stretchy fabrics. Velvet, corduroy and fleece which has fuzz on its surface. Gauze, chiffon, georgette and very thin transparent fabrics. Note: avoid cotton blends unless they are combined with other natural fibers. If at all you desire to work on delicate, light colored fabrics, try giving back support with fusible embroidery stabilizer like paper canvas or white Cora cotton fabric underneath your working fabric, which will be sufficient to support. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for much more. If you like this video, please do consider to like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below to get the notification on our next updates. Leave your comments on the comment section. Do follow us on Instagram.